Come on, tone it. Oh, they have to finish the severe thunderstorm watch.
Remember, a tornado watch means the
Hold on,
conditions are
give it a second.
for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not
Okay, I might
persons should remain
explode
alert
here.
for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Southeastern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois. Northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m.
Moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Indicated. Hazard in tornado.
Hail damage to vehicles is
Radar
expected.
indicated rotation.
Expect wind damage to roofs.
Flying debris will be
dangerous to those locations affected include Winnebago and Thunderstorm. For your damage to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Tree
A
damage
tornado watch release in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Illinois.
Greenwood, Algonquin, Barrington, Cary, Lake Barrington.
The following is a flooding advice.
And East will be around 7:20 p.m. Lake Zurich, Inverness, Port Barrington, and Tower Lakes around 7:25 p.m. Wakanda and Hawthorne was around 7:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, there we go. Man, holy crap.
Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Geneva, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
These storms are going insane right now.
Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris.
This is going to be 4 alerts in like a 5-minute video.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Schaumburg, Bartlett, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, West Chicago, Roselle, Bloomingdale, Winfield, and Wayne around 7:25 p.m. Glendale Heights around 7:30 p.m. Hoffman Estates around 7:35 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
To bring you the latest. A tornado warning remains
In effect until 7:30 p.m. for northeast.
Good gosh.
at 7:19 p.m.
4 alerts in a doubleheader. No way, actually. Was that 3 or 4? I don't even know. I think it's 3 now that I think about it.